Okay, in this video, I'm gonna show you quickly how I would validate an email address. And so we're in assignment 4 here. This is ITS387P, and so I'm gonna add a. Okay, so no. First of all, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna search the web for validate email address. See what I come up with here. And let's see, validate. I want some sort of a regular expression. How about regular expression to validate email address? Not real time. Here, how to validate an email address using a regular expression. All right, so this first okay, this one is wow, that's a pretty good one. Let's see what's next here. Hmm. Really? Is this? I'm going to say in JavaScript. So I want to do it in JavaScript. Let's see. What does this one say? Well, this looks like a nice regular expression. That's a reasonable length for 4,770 checks for liking this solution. All right, so I'm going to copy this function here. Copy. And I'm going to paste it over in here someplace. Like, how about here? Okay. Let me tab this in, and I guess I need a end. Okay. So this takes in an email address. Creates a regular expression called well, and then tests it. I guess this tested must be a regular expression test method. All right, fine. So how do I use this? I need to. I'll create a function called function check email, and it's going to have an email coming in, and it'll be I'll create a variable. Let's see. I can just do this. It's got to be an error message. If validate email if that is false, then I want to alert email address plus em plus is not a valid email address. And wait a minute, I should be putting that up here, shouldn't I? Invalidate input. Yes, I think I will put this. I'm going to do that. So I'm going to take title, and I'm going to grab email, and it's going to be ID email. And if it's going to be an error here. if email length is 0, then errors is enter an email at. Yeah, we have to enforce that. And then we can also have this this thing. If validate email is false, then we want to enter a valid. I'm going to do this. This is going to be else if. Okay. Let's see what this does. So now when I refresh, I'm going to try to enter in. What happens if I just do this? I get an error. Okay. Line 47. Oh, I forgot to do this. I'm not really using that, am I? It's okay. Let's try this again. Unexpected token on line 47. Anyway, I don't think I even need this function, so I'm just going to take it out. I'm not using it. It's because I've incorporated the check up here. So let me hit submit. Let me go out, come back in again, and what happens if I do this? Register line 44 now. Okay, it's not liking something. I'm going to do this. Alright, I'm stupid. Let's see, this function, this is one function, this is another function, this is another function, and this is not needed. Alright, now let's do refresh, and now when I click register, it should still give, it doesn't, I need to, alright, let's check why that didn't happen. Validate, did I not? Oh, I know what I didn't do. I need to, this has got to mean something. So, email name ID equals that. Alright, got to give it an ID. Now, when I refresh and I press register, I should get enter a first name, a last name, and an email address. Okay, so let's enter an email address, and I'm going to do rich@gmail. Enter a valid email address. Okay, rich@gmail.co. That's probably valid. Okay, so that is a clever way using the web to add code to your form so you can validate the format of an email address. And this is a regular expression. If you're into regular expressions, they're not that complicated. Oh no, they're complicated. They're not that difficult to learn. They can just be long. And here you're taking into account there can be periods before the @ sign. There can only be one @ sign, and there has to be at least one period after the @ sign, and but there can be more than one, and so on. So that's how this works. All right. So I'm going to end this now, and next video should cover this. Thanks for watching.